it's relevant for the lifestyles that people live. Generally, probably most of you know the basic story. How a yogi appeared and he sat still. His greatest quality was he sat absolutely still. He did nothing, he just sat. Days into weeks, into months, he just sat. In the end, only 7 people were left. Recognize one thing, that if one has to sit still without the need for… See, you must understand this.
How are you enjoying it?
Namaskaram.
Prashant
I'm really
Sonagra
enjoying
and
the
Swaran
Mahashivratri.
Jaikumar
It's been
are
great.
known for
We
their
started
work on
dancing. I
leading
was really
music
waiting for
reality
that.
shows and
And
collaborations
the
across
performances are
Indian
great.
cinema.
The midnight
Tonight,
meditation was,
they bring us
I'm out of words.
Shivai Tal
But yeah,
Samvad,
I'm really enjoying
depicting
it.
the
Thank
ultimate
you.
union of Purusha
which one you
and
enjoyed the
Prakriti. Please
Midnight
welcome
meditation.
Prashant Sonagra and Swaran.
Wedding rumors around Rashmika Mandanna and Vijay Deverakonda just refuse to fade away, and their latest airport spotting has only added fuel to the fire. The rumored couple was seen arriving in Mumbai on Sunday night. Interestingly, they arrived separately and did not walk together inside the airport. But here's what caught everyone's attention: they were later seen leaving in the same car. Rashmika kept things simple and stylish. She wore a brown top with black jeans and boots, going for a comfortable and low-key look.
हेलो मैम। मैम यहाँ से रश्मिका जी, यहाँ से गाड़ी इधर है, यहाँ से आइए मैम। मैम रुकिए ना, माफ करें ना थोड़ा, प्लीज थोड़ा सा।
Holding a book in her hand, she quietly made her way through the terminal, completed the formalities, and quickly headed to her car without posing for the paparazzi. Vijay, on the other hand, chose a black t-shirt paired with light brown trousers.
विजय शादी कब है?
हेलो सर।
विजय
Trying to stay under the radar, he partially covered his face with a mask while heading towards the gate. But fans are always alert. A young admirer recognized him at the airport. Soon after, several videos of the two stars at the airport began circulating on social media. Fans flooded the comment sections with heart emojis, clearly excited to see them together. Adding more buzz to the situation, a source close to the couple had earlier confirmed in December that Rashmika and Vijay will marry on 26th February at a heritage palace in Udaipur. According to the source, the couple is also expected to host a reception in Hyderabad for their industry friends after the wedding. However, despite all the speculation and excitement, neither Rashmika nor Vijay has made any official statement about the wedding rumors. So, are wedding bells really ringing, or is this just another round of speculation? For now, fans will have to wait for the stars to make it official.
विजय शादी कब है?
हेलो सर।
रुकिए विजय
Rumors about Mrinal Thakur's personal life have been making headlines lately, especially linking her to Dhanush. With her new film releasing in less than a week, social media has been buzzing with claims that the two are even getting married on Valentine's Day. But Mrinal has finally reacted, and she's laughing it off. Speaking about the wedding rumors, she joked, "The wedding is taking place according to them." The actress made it clear that she finds the gossip amusing rather than upsetting. However, she did reveal that things went a bit too far recently. Mrinal shared that she had to hire a PR team for her safety after her home address was leaked online. "Up until now, I didn't have a PR team. I had to hire a team to sort things out because my home address was out in public. To protect myself, I had to hire a team," she said. Even then, she chose to handle the situation with humor. "But I have realized that even if I spent 3 crore rupees, 6 crore rupees, 10 crore rupees, I would never get such publicity." When asked about the constant chatter around her personal life, Mrinal addressed it directly and maturely. "I don't want to involve any other actor in this, but I do want to say that I am a very open person. If there is anything in my life, I will put it out. I don't get annoyed at all, I laugh it out. If I spend my energies on those rumors, I will not be able to focus on my career," she said. Ending on a thoughtful and powerful note, she added, "I am here romancing the camera, and the only constant partner I want to have with me is the camera." Despite months of speculation linking her to Dhanush, both actors have remained silent about the rumors. On the work front, Mrinal will next be seen in the romantic drama Do Deewane Sehar Mein alongside Siddhant Chaturvedi. Directed by Ravi Udyawar and produced by Sanjay Leela Bhansali, the film is set to hit theatres on 20th February. For now, it looks like Mrinal is choosing her career over the chatter and letting the rumors fade on their own. India delivered a thumping win over Pakistan, crushing them by 61 runs in a high-voltage Group A clash at the ICC Men's T20 World Cup 2026 and storming into the Super 8 stage. And as expected, celebrities couldn't keep calm. Taking to social media, several stars celebrated the big victory and praised the men in blue for their dominant performance. On X, Ajay Devgan wrote, "This brilliant team makes winning look like a cakewalk. Kya khela hai?" Mammootty tweeted, "Congratulations to the Indian cricket team on their victory over Pakistan at the ICC Men's T20 World Cup 2026, a proud moment for the nation." Arjun Rampal shared a bunch of photos on Instagram and captioned it, "Done and dusted. What a fabulous performance to enter the Super 8's. Congratulations men in blue, we love you." Special shout out to Ishan Kishan. Har Har Mahadev. Happy Mahashivratri 2025 T20 World Cup 2026. Anupam Kher posted a video just as the match was about to end. As India sealed the win, he was heard laughing loudly and chanting the Lord's name. He captioned it, "Har Har Mahadev, Hail Bholenath." In the spark, Anil Kapoor also shared his excitement, posting a picture of the team and writing, "And that's how it's done. Super proud Indian cricket team." Khushbu Sundar wrote, "And we win. India at the top, always." Vivek Oberoi tweeted, "Ye mauka bhi gaya. Absolute mammoth 77 off 40 balls by Ishan Kishan and kicka early wickets by Jasprit Bumrah and Hardik Pandya. My ears are ringing from my own screaming throughout the match. More and more power to our men in blue." Hush Indivi Spark. Talking about the match, India now holds an incredible 8-1 record against Pakistan in T20 World Cup history. Opener Ishan Kishan smashed a fiery 77 off just 40 balls, powering India to 175 for 7 at the R. Premdasa Stadium. Pakistan, despite using a 6-pronged spin attack that bowled 18 of their 20 overs, couldn't stop the charge. In response, India bundled Pakistan out for just 114 in 18 overs, registering their third consecutive win in the tournament. An performance, a roaring victory, and a night fans won't forget anytime soon.